Hello and welcome back to my channel. We just got our first Eureka Crate in the mail. These are from KiwiCo. We've been doing Kiwi Crates for about 3 or 4 years now. I got this for my 9-year-old son. He was doing the Tinker Crate, and that's ages 9 to 14, but they were a little easy for him. But he is very, very gifted at putting things together, and he's always fixing things. The Tinker Crate would actually be great for any 9-year-old boy, but he just is gifted in this area. So we upped it to the Eureka Crate. And this one is a build your own 2-in-1 lantern. So he might need a little help, but I think he's going to really like this. And I'm excited it's this one. So it's ages 14 plus. And I saw a video of this and it looked really, really cool. So let's see what's in here. Okay, here's the maker's guide. It's nice and thick, so this is, and it's really cool. It goes down and then you can like flip it, and it's really cool. Oh wow. All the supplies are here. I'm really glad we upgraded. I can see that this is going to take a lot longer, which will be great for him. So you have information about the project and the science. These are similar to Lego type instructions, so I think this will be perfect for him. Oh yeah, this is a lot more complicated. So the lantern mode, and then you switch it over and it turns into a flashlight mode. It's really cool. My husband takes him camping all the time, so he will love using this while camping. Here are the components. The wood is really thick. It's at least 3 layers with that. Nice and sturdy. Batteries. And wires and stuff. Here's the lantern part. This is plastic. All the wood pieces. There's a reflector thingy. It's like a stretchy thing and maybe sticky magnet type things. Cute little box. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. The cardboard with a plastic cover. This thing for the thing. And then the battery instruction. So all the other crates we've tried the Kiwi Crate, the Koala Crate, the Yummy Crate, and the Tinker Crate. And they all had more than one activity to do, but this one I think is so involved that it only has one project in it. Which is fine because it has a ton of steps. It'll take them quite a while to do. Maybe 6 things to build, and then if you include troubleshooting, plus the information. So this will last a long time. And it's something that he can use over and over again, which is really nice. It's not just a make and throw it away kind of thing. So I encourage you to try Kiwi Crate. We just love them here. The link is down below, and if you could like and subscribe, that really helps the channel. It helps me to grow and make more content. They have 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and 1 year subscriptions. So there's lots of options, lots of different lines, lots of different interests that they cover. So check it out. Your kids are going to love it. It's a great addition to your homeschool or just for fun, rainy afternoons. Try it out. See you guys next time.